Hey bitches. A lot of you have been asking me for like a makeup tutorial. So like I'm just gonna do something because I don't really have any like makeup looks, I guess. Hold on.
Holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday, B. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of my gun. Get up, cause it's time to make the payback fat. To my brothers on the block, better stay strapped. Black, and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, tear the roof off the whole school. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. Case you can't see this, why we turn the other week. Now we got him in the smash, blast. How long will it last? Till the pro get more cash. Until then, raise up till my young black males blaze up like some no stress test. I'm giving, but be thankful that you're living blessed. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free you, if not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out scrap. Keep your hands in your gap. Now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys I'm Cali, I'ma tell ya. Mess with the best and the best can help you. Scream if you feel me. See it clearly, you're too near me. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. Pump your fist like this. Holla if you hear me. Pump, pump if you're pissed. To the sellouts, living it up. One way or another, you'll be giving it up. I guess cause I'm black born, I'm supposed to say peace, sing songs and get capped on. But it's time for a like a one-man clan. Here we go, turn it up, don't stop. Tell my homies on the block getting dropped by cops. I'm still around for ya, keeping my sound on the ground for ya. And I'ma throw a change up. Quill ain't do nothing but my name up. Now my homies in the back streets, can feel me when they're rolling in their back cheeks. This ain't just a rap song, a black song. Telling all my brothers get they strap on. And look for me in the struggle, hustling to other brothers' trouble. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? Will I quit? They claim that I'm violent, but still I kick. Representing, never give up on a good thing. Wouldn't stop it if we could, it's a hood thing. And now I'm like a major threat, cause I remind you of the things you were made to forget. Bring the noise to all my boys. Know the real from the buses and the G-Code. And if you hustle like a real G, pump your fist if you feel me. Holla if you hear me. Learn to survive in the non-trade. I make grind pay, others make crime pay. Whatever it takes to live and stand, cause nobody else will give a damn. So we live like cage beasts, waiting for the day to let the waves free. Steal me till they kill me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear 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 me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me. See it clearly. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me.
I never been a saint, I always been a sinner. I'm caught up in the race, I just never been the winner. And every other day gotta pay for a bad choice made, thinking karma may be something to consider. And high school's done, I'm wishing I could go back, but all things go never last, and I know that. So that's why tonight is going down. So have another drink and buy another round. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. So raise another glass of the best days. Take it for whatever it is, I'm not tripping at all. I never gave a fuck in the first place. We just wanna party and drink all night and live it for the moment cause it feels so right. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. Raise a glass of the best days. Yeah, raise a glass of the best days. Raise a glass of the best days. Raise a glass of the best days. My attitude shit, my bank account zero, but everything's cool cause tonight I'm a hero. A Superman cape on a Lois Lane chase. Baby, we can fly away to the stars, Galileo. Ayo, wait, we run around town chasing these skirts, save a moment like Kodak. So that's why tonight is going down. So have another drink and buy another round. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. So raise another glass of the best days. Take it for whatever it is, I'm not tripping at all. I never gave a fuck in the first place. We just wanna party and drink all night and live it for the moment cause it feels so right. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. Raise a glass of the best days. Another glass of the best days. Take it for whatever it is, I'm not tripping at all. I never gave a fuck in the first place. We just wanna party and drink all night and live it for the moment cause it feels so right. Take it for whatever it is, we do whatever we want. Raise a glass of the best days.
Ride with me, even if I make mistakes. I need somebody to hold me down. That's somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize.
I'ma be right here. Yeah, I said it all before and I still feel the same. I'm finding trouble finding somebody that I really trust. It's hard when you're feeling like the world is out to get you and nobody will respect you till they seeing you adjust to what? To the money, to the cars, to the crib, to the bars on the strip, to the ladies in the booth. I just wanna find something different instead of hearing the lies and then finding out the truth. Truth hurts, real talk, you know it's worth it. Weird type of feeling, in fact, it ain't perfect. Somebody had left you in the shade. Somebody had left you in the grave. I ain't fucking with the phonies at all. Dip the spot, then I'm out, give my homies a call. Say she only installed, tryna hold my ass back, man, fuck that noise, she don't know me at all. Shine with me, ride with me, even if I make mistakes. I need somebody to hold me down, that's somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize.
I'ma be explain. It's kinda hard to explain. Light turned to shade, then it started to rain. And the woman that I dated left departed in pain. Like a father would say, every break is gonna make another bride in the game. Broaden your aim, don't get caught in the chain. Riding in pain ain't a part of your lane. You understand there's always more than what you got in the frame, you dig? Yeah, I know. Got a line road coming, so here I go. Gotta keep the shit smooth like a T.I. flow, while I fight for the future like a G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe? Yeah, but I ain't heading to war. And this shit is just a game, so I'm setting the score. Man, I said it before. People love to talk shit, then they smile in your face just to get in the door. Shine with me, ride with me. Even if I make mistakes, I need somebody to hold me down. That's somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize, realize.
I'ma be right here. I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine woman in.
Do you hate? Do you care what I say? Is it all just the same? Always make these mistakes. Ooh, baby, take me